Awesome. Let's move on. You say there are 3 easy ways to create posts, stories, and videos.
Yeah. Well, yeah, what does Dan say, right? Is he goes, number one, we need shameless self-promotion. Right?
Right.
We also need to be somebody. Like, who the
Mm,
hell are you?
right.
Right? Be the king of pop. Be the, you can't, Michael Jackson, but he's dead. So you could be the new king of pop.
You could be.
Too, right? One of my clients is the new king of pickleball, right? He saw that pickleball is all the rage, and so that who he has become. He does custom backyard courts for the affluent. So
Wow.
if you are looking to build a pickleball court in your backyard and you say who can build it, guess what comes up? The new king of pickleball.
Wow.
Right? My client comes up. So it's being somewhere. So this is an easy way to create your post. Be him, right? Be that person and tell people that you are that person and tell why you are that person. Very, very easy, right? The second thing is be somewhere. So as the new king of pickleball, guess what? He goes to pickleball events. He's out in his backyard playing on his court, right? Easy
Mm,
post, easy stories, easy videos that he does. Here's my way. He even shows he's been in recovery because his elbow went out.
uh,
Those of us that are a little older, now that he's 50, his elbow went out from playing pickleball. So he's in the chiropractor's office, he's in the rehab center, and he's videotaping all of that, right? Easy, easy posts, story ideas where he's being somebody and he's being somewhere. And then the last one is do something, a Dan Kennedy policy, right?
right.
Where he tells us just do something. Are you going to support a local charity? Well, that combines your be somewhere and being somebody, right? Support it, be a sponsor of, do something in your community, do something online, do something. And those are ways that you just gather it, right? So that if you are being somebody, being somewhere, and doing something, those are just 3 easy ways that you put them, you document them, as Gary Vee says, right?
Right.
Now we just document them and people see what you're doing because social media truly is just a reality show.
Yeah.
Like, just a reality show. And your stories should be your daily reality, right? Your posts should be what is the basis of your brand. What do you want to be known for? What do you want to tell your philosophy in your posts, right? And then your videos is your brand and your reality show in action. So
Mm,
your videos are just documenting what's going on, and it makes for people to sit there and go, your ideal customer, when you started with your messaging, you start with who this is for, they
mm,
totally get it. So for this particular client, right? He always starts with, hey, if you are an aspiring pickleball player. So he
right.
starts that way. So now they're going to watch the rest of the video. Yeah. For my specialty dentist, they start with, is it time for your kids to get braces? Right. So
Right.
today we have lots of orthodontists coming in. I wrote some content for them. And so that's the content that I'm doing in my videos today. So that now it is by land or by sea or by any other way that Dan tells us to do, that we hit them in just multiple areas.
Multiple media simultaneously,
Yes.
and being omnipresent, right? So no matter where they look, they see you or they find you. And,
Yes.
and can you talk about retargeting real quick for someone who might be watching who doesn't understand what that is?
Oh, sure, sure. So like once they've seen a video or once they've been captured by the pixel and inside of your invisible list, okay, you can tell Facebook or Google or wherever across anywhere that ads are allowed, run my ad only in front of somebody who's seen my pixel or has gone to my site or has watched 25% of my video or is on this email list. So
Right.
you can upload your existing email list and your ads will be shown just to those people, which is, Dan having the right market is now you're only targeting people who have watched your stuff before. So if they've raised their hand and said they're interested, that's all we want them to do.
And they do that. They show that by watching that percentage of the video, because if it's for them, they're going to watch it. If it's not for them, they're not going to watch it.
Correct.
Right.
Correct.
That's brilliant.